Hello everyone, welcome back to the CATHAY PACIFIC Updates YouTube channel here with me, Roberto Moico Ignacio, my friend from Toronto, Austin. Apologies for the noise in the background because it is the construction, but you can still understand me and much better to use headphones. So let's go back to the update. So let's talk about this CATHAY Pacific Boeing 777-900 that flew to Xiamen this morning for maintenance. So this aircraft is registered as Bravo's Kilo Quebec X-ray with a great circle distance of 406 kilometers. Actual flight time 56 minutes and a track of 70 degrees as you can see here. This aircraft took off at the third runway at Boeing Airport at 4:31 a.m. local time, and then she landed at runway 907 at Xiamen Airport at 5:27 a.m. local time. And this aircraft is formerly the our 50th 777-300ER livery until she got repainted to new livery, thus making the said livery disappear. So let's proceed to the next aircraft, which is an Airbus A350-900. So this aircraft is registered as Bravo's Lima Romeo Charlie, because this means another aircraft flew to Xiamen. Took our flight number 63820. Great circle distance of 906 kilometers. Actual flight time 1 hour and a track of 250 degrees as you can see here. This aircraft took off at 6:57 p.m. local time in HK at the southern runway, and then landed on runway 907 at 7:56 p.m. local time in Xiamen. This aircraft is special because she is nicknamed the Learning Resource Center Jet because LRC stands for Learning Resource Center. She's registered as Bravo's Lima Romeo Charlie, and the other one is Bravo the Kilo Quebec X-ray. So that's a wrap for the video. Thank you guys for watching, and also please do not forget to check the details of these two aircrafts on our previous videos. Hope to see you guys in the next update. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and the bell icon next to it as well. All by me, Roberto, and my friend from Toronto, Austin. Bye guys, and see you in the next update.